As the month of August draws to a close, we can hardly believe that summer has passed by so quickly. We hope that you had a wonderful month of August. Hi everyone, this is Kim Dowling, and the wheels have certainly been turning over here at Coastal Luxury Partners as we have been honored to once again be recognized as the best in client satisfaction, and we continue to lead the 5-star rankings in our communities. We have been privileged to help so many buyers and sellers achieve their real estate goals, and we have welcomed so many new clients to the Coastal family and our Forever Client Club. With our eyes now looking ahead to fall, I wanted to personally thank our amazing team and clients. We would not be where we are today without your friendship and your support. Thank you for the trust that you place in our team. We have new listings coming to market. Our media team has been super busy, and we continue to lead the way with services designed to serve our clients at the highest levels. We will always put your goals and objectives first. We can't wait to host our next Coastal event and hang out with you in person. I will make sure that you get your personal invitation. And as always, please let us know if there's anything that we can do for you. We are a phone call away.